Hello, my name is Otasoyo Sayende, and this is my Project 2 demonstration video. Now I'm going to start the process, then stop the process, then start the process again, then stop. Now when the emergency stop button is pushed, the fault light comes up after it's been released for 5 seconds, and the counter is here. I can clear out accumulated time. Now for this simulation, I've already demonstrated I'm not going to demonstrate whenever the stamp, so I know it takes a lot of time to go back to the base position. As you can see, it stamps, but it takes too much time to go back up, and then the fault light comes up. Also here on my HMI, I have the total cycle time, and also have the part weight. I have the total number of parts that have been placed on the sensor, and I have the total count for maintenance of the stamp. Also the stamp pressure is here, and the average weight is here. Once the part has been placed on the scale, the sensor has been configured such a way that it gives the output weight, which is here, and good weights, good parts that are within the tolerance range. If it's yes, if it's a good part, the LTB light comes up, as you can see, for good parts. But those that are below the tolerance weight, the LTB light doesn't come on. Now the pressure of the stamp is also calculated and given here once a part is being stamped. Next, for the maintenance aspect, I'll put a counter here to count the amount of time taken or the amount of time this stamp lowers. And so the count keeps reading. Notice it is keep reading, and once it's at 80% of the target is 12. Once it's at 80% of 12, that is 10 parts, the service required soon light will come up. And once it's at 100%, that's 12 out of 12 count, the service alert lights comes up. Now this is 9, this is the 10th part, so the service required soon light comes up. Now as it's going to the 11th and 12th part, at the 12th count, you would see the service light coming up. Now again, the fault is still happening here because it's already simulated to that less than 9 seconds. I set it to 0.4 seconds actually. So that's why the fault light will come up every time. And now this light is up, meaning that it has exceeded the amount of time. Now I can stop my simulation and clear all my values. As you can see, I've cleared all the values here. Now to clear the maintenance count, I clear it here. Thank you very much.